With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So hello everyone. In this question they said that if integration of s to the power minus 2 by 3 in bracket 1 plus s to the power 1 by 2 power minus 1 minus 5 by 3 ds is equal to p 1 plus s power 1 by 2 who r by s power. So if it is equal to this, then where rs and r co-prime to each other, so we have to that which of these options are true. So for this, if we first write our integration, so let it I. So our integration is s to the power minus 2 by 3 and in bracket 1 plus s power 1 by 2 minus 5 by 3. Now and ds. Now you can see this to see that for this if we let u and u equal to let it be s to the power 1 by 6. So now our u is s to the power 1 by 6, then you know that its differentiation with respect to ds become 1 by 6 s to the power 5 by 6, and this is also ds. So now you can see that this will give us that this will become 6 s power 5 by 6 du equal to ds. And now you can see that if u is s power 1 by 6, so now you can also know that we can also write that this s to the power 1 by 2 is equal to be u to the power 3. So now for substitution, first we write our integration. This integration in simpler form, so we write I, and this is negative power, so this become positive when we it is 1 upon s, so this is 1 by s to power, and it is multiplied by 1 by this become 1 plus s to the power 1 by 2 and its power minus 5 by 3, and this is ds. Now we see that if we change this values, then what we got our I is this, and our I will be equal to first this thing. So this is 6 s to the power 5 by 6, this become du, we change it, and in denominator this become s to the power 2 by 3, and this become 1 plus s to the power 1 by 2 will be changed by u to the power 3, and this is 5 by 3, this is not minus. So now you can see that if we further solve it, then if we take 6 outside, and you can see that this become, if we see that this become 5 by 6 minus 2 by 3, so this is s to the power 1 by 6, and we let s to the power 1 by 6 equal to u. So we write this is u d to the power u, and it will be divided by this term, which is 1 plus u to the power 3, and this is 5 to the power 3. Now if I is this, now we can also write that let v equal to 1 plus u to the power 3, and this power 5 by 3, and denominator is u. Now you can see that if we differentiate it, then we found that dv by du is equal to, if we do this differentiation, then this become u, and in denominator this is u cube plus 1, and its power 2 by 3, and minus this become u cube plus 1, and its power 1 by 3, and divided by this is u sir. Now you can see that we can also write it, this is by the way our u. So you can also see that our du become if we see our du, then this become 1y. If we write it in denominator, then this is becomes u divided by u cube plus 1 power 2y3 minus u cube plus 1 power 1y3 and divided by u, sir, dv. So this is our du. Now if we change our du and if we put v equal to this in this integration, then what we found after substitution, we found that this will becomes, after substitution we write, so you can see that this will give us minus 1 by vq, because we change this, and this is dv and its integration. So now if we see, then its value is equal to 1 by 2b, sir, and this is positive. And we got this, why we know s to the power n integration is s power n plus 1 n plus 1. Now if we uh, put the v value, and which is, if we see that our v value is this, or this is 1 by 3. So if we put this in our equation, then you can see that this will give us u square divided by, this is 2 is 2, and this is u cube plus 1 power 2 by 3. Now you can see that if we see our main integration, so our main integration is this I equal to this. If we again write it as it is, so we write our I equal to 6, and this is u, and this is 1 plus u cube power 5 by 3 du. Now you can see this, we can change this by this, so this become, if we put this, then this is we don't see this, so 6 divided by 2, this is 3, and this term y square divided by, this is y cube plus 1, and its power is 2 by 3. Now you can see that this is the become the value of I, so we can also write it as this form, uh, I 3 u square, and this is u cube plus 1 power minus 2 by 3 and plus c, variable, constant. So you can see that this become, or we can now write our 3, and this user is s to the power 1 by 3, where we already know this, and this become root s plus 1 power minus 2 by 3 plus c. So this is the value of I, means integration we got. If we compare this with our equation, then this is p1 plus s power 1 by 2 rs. So if we compare that, then what we found, so we write this will be our 3 s power 1 by 3 root s plus 1 power minus 2 by 3 is equal to p root s plus 1 power r by s. So now if we compare this, then we got that our p is equal to 3 to the power s minus 3, and our r is equal to minus 2, and our s is equal to 3. So this is the value of p, r and s. Now if we see in option, then you will found out that option, our r value is minus 2, so this is not, our s is equal to 3, so this is right, our option D is correct. So this is it, guys. Thank you.
for class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.